Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can create your own resource center for your customers of your Shopify store. So if you want to include PDFs, videos, images, or create a complete download page to support your customers to provide them enough information related to your products, you can do that on Shopify very easily by watching this video. So make sure to watch the complete video where I'll show you guys how you can do that. So the way we'll do it is by installing an app, and the app name is download page file search MP, and you will have a page which will look like this. So you will be able to search if you have multiple PDFs or multiple images. You can create different categories, and you can upload PDF catalog and brochures, product manual, product images, and many more. You can also upload video and images as well. So that's how it's gonna look, and you can embed that on any page, or you can also use app block within your Shopify store. We have the option to CSS customize. So if you want to change the layout of the page, you can do that, and you can also add the translated text as per language of your store. It's completely mobile responsive, and it is really cool. So let's start doing that, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that really easily. So first you got to install this app, and link will be in the description. So you can simply click on the link and you will have a install button showing up here, and you can install this app. I've already installed that app on my development store, and I'm gonna navigate to my development store, and I will show you guys how you can create the page like this. So let's first navigate to the backend, and this is the app, and here we will simply upload the files which we want to display, and we will add this embed code to any of the page to display our resource center or download center, whatever you want to call it, right? So let's PDF brochures. I'm going to create this first category and add files within this category. So let's click on add files, and I am going to select the file from my files within the Shopify. And currently I don't have any PDF, so I'm going to upload the PDFs which I want to show on this category. So let's upload that. I'm going to open the content of my Shopify store in a new tab. And once you go there, click on files. So once you click on content and then files, you will have a screen like this where you can upload your files by clicking on this button. So let's do that. I'm going to click on upload files. And I am going to upload some of the sample PDFs which I have downloaded. So let's upload these two PDFs. So these are just the sample PDFs which I am uploading just to show you guys how you can set that up. Okay, one of the PDF is uploaded. Great. Let's see if another one. Yep, another one is also uploaded. Now let's go back and click on add files here within our app dashboard. And here you can see we have the option to add these PDFs. So let's add these PDFs, add selected files. Perfect, files are added successfully. So now if I close this, I'll have these two files showing up, right? Now I'm going to embed this in a page, and how we can do that. So I'm going to simply create a new page. So let's open online store in a new tab. And here, if you go to this pages here below online store and create a new page. So this is the page which I already created by the name of Resource Center. I'm going to create a new one just to show you guys. Click on add page, and I'm going to name it product resources. And then let's click on save. Perfect. Once the page is created, make sure it's visible. So let's set the visibility to visible. So once the page is created, make sure the visibility is set to visible. Then click on save. Perfect. Now we will add the code from our app. So that's the code which we will add. Embed on specific page. Click on this copy code button here. And then paste the code within the HTML section of the page. So click on this show HTML icon. And once it's switched to the HTML mode, just paste the HTML code. Perfect. Once the HTML code is pasted, click on save. And now let's view the page. Okay, I'm gonna click on the view page again. Okay, here you can see we have these PDFs showing up, and we have the option to search out of these files as well. So if I just type in the invoice, it's just giving me the invoice out of these two files. Now let's try uploading some more files to see how it looks. I'm gonna create another category and upload some of the image files to see how it looks. Okay, let's go back to the app page and create another category by clicking on add new category. And I am going to upload some of the files. So let's first name the category to be product images. Just adding a random name, you can name it whatever you want. Okay, let's click on add files and then upload some of the image files to see how the image files look. Okay, uploading some of the product images. File added successfully. There we go. We can change the display title. Obviously, it doesn't look human friendly, human readable. So I'm just gonna name it. Okay, we also have the sorting option here. So if you want to move this image to here, you can do that as well, right? So, and you can remove it by clicking on this cross button. So if you want to remove any uploaded files, you can do that. Now, after creating this category, I'm gonna hit save and go back to the page and hit refresh to see if it's updated. And here you go. You can see that we have PDF browsers showing up and we have another category created by product images. Similarly, you can upload the videos as well if you want. Now, if I click on view button here, it's going to display the image which we have in a pop-up. Similarly with the PDF. Cool. So that's how easy it is to set up. And one more thing is that we can simply customize it more. So if you want to, like, let's suppose you want to change the font colors here, or you want to change the search box background color, and you want to change the title color, you can do that by simply adding the custom CSS here and it will work fine. Let me show you how it's going to work. So let's change the search button color to be blue. So I'm going to inspect element and try to change the search button color. So here's the ID. I'm going to copy the ID of this button and add in some custom CSS to see if it works. So let's add an ID and let's change the background color to be, let's say red. And now let's hit save and see if our background color changes, or maybe we need to add important in CSS. Let's see if it works. Okay, it works. You can see that it works. Now, similarly, if we want to change the text color to be black, I can do that similarly by adding some custom CSS code. Let's hit refresh. And here you go. You can see that the white text has been changed to the black color now. Similarly, we can change these category button colors, background, or the text color, whatever we want to change via the custom CSS. It is doable. You can also contact support if you want any help with the customization. And here, if you are using your store other than English language, then you will need to add some other text as well. let's search. So I'm just gonna change the search to be let's search to see if it works. Let's click on save. And if I go to this here, so that's where it says search. It's now gonna say let's search when I refresh. And here you go. So that's it for the video, guys. And if you need more guidance, you can simply go to guide tab and it will give you more instructions about how to add download resource center if you want to create on your Shopify store. There's another way you can add this by going to customize and adding an app block. Let me show you that as well before I end the video. So if I go to customize within my theme, so that's my theme, I'm going to click on customize. So here, if I click on add section and then go to apps, here we have this file search download app, and you can see that it's showing up as a section. We can drag and drop and change the position, and we can display it on any of the page. So if you want to display it on your product page, on your collection page, or any other page, you can simply add the app block if you are not familiar with the HTML code. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Until next video, have a great day.